Well, some people have been asking for like, how do you add images to your to an array and make those pop up on the screen? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a little bit about how we can add an array of images and have those pop up on the screen. So remember before we had our different jobs. So what I'm going to do is make a new array. And I'll say, let's call this let young jobs pics. Okay. And what I'm going to do is just going to find the source image for each one of these different things. So I'm just going to like copy and paste retail associate. I'm going to go here and press retail associate. I'm going to go to images and that looks great. Okay, great. That's a nice teenage job. So we're going to do copy image address, bring it back here, and let's put that in there. All right, now I'm going to do a comma. Let's get a camp counselor. All right, let's go over here. I'm going to go camp counselor. Let's get an image. Right? Oh, what a nice teenage job. Okay, we're going to copy image address. Okay, put that for our next image in the array. All right, now let's do another one. Let's get apprentice electrician. All right. Okay. Great. Look, there's a nice teenage job again. Look at all these people under 21 getting great jobs. I'm proud of them. And then finally, let's do one more. I'm going to do the babysitter one. Okay. And I'll go here. Oh, babysitter. And let's go. Jeez. It's great. That's a cute little photo. All right. Now let's go to. There we go. So now we got our 4 jobs here. These are images. These are the source images for each one of those. Now let's have a little fun here. Inside of my index.html, I'm going to say this, div id equals images, right? Something nice and simple. Okay. And that's where we'll put all our images. And what I'm going to do is index.css. You'll see output. What I could do is make it so this has the same exact thing. So I'm going to say images. Okay. And let's press play. And so you see now I have a new one. That's where I'll put all my images. Great. So the next part is adding the images to the screen. So what I could do here is, remember, if the age is less than 21, what I'm going to do is not only add those jobs to the screen. So just as a little reminder how this works, I could put Ben and I could put like an age less than 20 and it'll show me all my young jobs. What I'll do is just add a bunch of images here as well. So what I'll do here is, once again, I'll do another for loop. I'm going to say I equals 0. I'm going to say oh, this isn't the greater than. Sorry, wrong one. Let's move this to the young one. And actually, because I'm super lazy, let me just be like so lazy about this. I'm just going to copy and paste this. I'm going to do young jobs pics dot length, right? And see where we have output here? What I'm also going to do is copy and paste this. I think I put the ID was images for that second box, right? So we'll say images. That's where we're going to put our new set of images. Images. And what I'll say here is I'm going to put this on the images. Now, what makes this a little bit different is that I'm not going to be using a p tag, right? What we're going to be using is actually an image tag. So I'm going to say img src, right? And the source is the young job pics, right? And let's close up that thing. All right, so let's just be clear about what I just did here. I made another for loop. It goes through the young jobs pics. What it's going to do is add to the images container, right, an image, and the source of each image is one of these from the array. So it goes through each one of these and adds the images. Well, let's check and see if this works. A lot of code. I don't like to code that much and not look at it. But let's put Ben, and let's say I'm 15 years old. And you see here, it's adding my images there. Now, I have a feeling that they're all kind of on top of each other, not looking good. So what we could do is let's make this look a little bit nicer, right? What I'm going to do is here, I'm going to say image, and what I'm going to say is each one should be have a width of 200 pixels. Now, if they all have a width of 200 pixels. My width has to be, let's make this 1000. Okay, let's try this again. Let's see if this works better. Okay, I'm gonna say 16. All right. Oh, those two images are broken. That's why those aren't working. Let's see here. This one's not working, and this one's not working. Oh, I guess we gotta redo those. So let's do, what was it, Camp Counselor? Nope, Camp Counselor's not it. It's Babysitter. So Babysitter, listen, if we're gonna do this, we're gonna do it right. Let's get the right ones. Okay, let's get another image here. This one looks good. Copy image address. Let's see if this one works better. This is the last one in the array. Okay. Let's hope for the best here. I'm just gonna put 20. We're real lazy here. Oh God, man, I forgot I had that whole thing. Ben. Okay, there's 3. Those are all working kind of nice now. Okay, let's get the other one. What's this? Apprentice Electrician. Apprentice Electrician. Let's grab one more photo now. Let's do this one. Hopefully this one works better. Okay. Let's go to the second to last one. So that's the last one. So this should be the right one. Okay. Let's see if this one works now. Press play. It's Ben. What's your age? 20. Man, it really doesn't like that image, huh? Let's try it one more time. Maybe the second time's a charm. You never know. Submit. Oh, gosh, come on. And it still doesn't work. You know, guys, I'm going to keep going until I get the right one that works. Copy image address. Okay, let's do the second to last one again. Okay, once again, let's press play. Guys, come on. Let's get it going here. Let's hope for the best. It just hates that image. What is going on? I don't know, man. I'm gonna try one more and then I give up. Let's try this one. This one, right? This one looks so licensable. No, this one looks so whack. This must be working, right? Guys, I'm sorry for this. I just think that. Let's try that. This has to work, right? Okay, Ben, 20. Oh, whatever. I give up on that third one. So anyway, we got our 3 images, right? The fourth one, obviously, you can go through all day and find the right one, but now they're appearing on the screen. Now, I do want to just make them look a little bit nicer, so let's add a little margin here. So I'm going to say margin. Let's add 20 pixels of it. All right, and let's actually set the height so they all have the same height. I'm also going to do 200 pixels, so they're nice little squares. Might not look good, but who knows? Actually, let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to press play. I'm going to say my name is Ben. I'm 20 years old, and you can see here I have my different images for the different jobs. So that's how it's done. I'm sorry about that third image not wanting to work. That is what it is, but that's how you add your images. So hopefully that was helpful for you guys. It definitely does zhuzh up your app a little bit to have images, so hopefully that's helpful. That's it. Bye.